This is the LINT Eater rotary dryer vent cleaning system. You can purchase this at Lowe's, item number 37653. It's a 10-piece little kit. Works great for cleaning out your dryer vent. Shows a before and after there. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick video of what this looks like in action. It's got some flexible rods, self-feeding head, and I didn't use any of these other tools except this, the vacuum adapter. That actually came in pretty handy. So let's put this thing to use. It's got a little bitty set screw that holds these rods onto the cleaning head. Comes with 4 rods. You just screw them into one another. And it says to take some electrical tape and wrap around the joints so it doesn't come apart. You'll feed your brush head up through the actual vacuum housing, and you'll put your vacuum hose through the larger hole. That way you can just run this up through the dryer vent hose. Okay, we've got the drill hooked up, and you'll tape these joints and run the line all the way up into the wall with the adapter. And that's how much lint has come out of this thing with the vacuum hooked up to the hole. Look at that, it's like crammed way up in there too. Clear out the last of it. Oh my goodness. That's a ton. That is so much.
I want to get this.
It's taking forever to dry.
I said you want to get this.
To give you an idea how much lint actually comes out of this thing, 2 cookie sheets full. And what you're going to want to do when you're done with this, you hit bake at 350. You put 1 on the bottom and 1 on the top for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. And voila, out comes breakfast.